Hey neighbors, I'm Gary. This is Tammy, and she got a humdinger of a recipe for you today. This is just excellent. I'm gonna let her tell you all about it.
Of course, we're out here on the desert camping in Arizona, which the wind has not been our friend again today. You know, we just had that issue. But you know what we're doing today? We're going to brown these wonderful pork loin chops in our 12-inch Dutch oven. And after they're browned and nicely browned, we're going to put some of this wonderful orange cherry habanero sauce over them and let them just simmer for a little bit and then enjoy them with a wonderful tossed salad. Does that sound great? Usually I make my own, but I'm kind of cheating today. We love this one that's made in Montana. It's called Montana Cattle Company, which just makes awesome, wonderful sauces and all kinds of wonderful things. And this has a kick to it, which my husband loves anything with a kick. Okay, great. Right now we're letting our briquettes get hot over here, and we're going to be getting things heated up, and we'll show you how to brown these wonderful chops. Of course, I'm sauteing these today, or browning these chops in butter. Oh my goodness. And this is nice and hot. And I probably put a half of a cube of butter in here. And we want this fairly hot so we can brown these.
Oh yeah, we like butter.
Oh yes. Life is better with butter. But really, you have to be careful, not overdo it. We all know that. Oh my. And you know, and by the way, you are watching Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. It's a wonderful channel that we have. And every Tuesday we have new fun recipes coming out. And if you subscribe, hit that like button, and there's a little icon there that if you hit that, it alerts you that every Tuesday we have another wonderful fun video coming out. And we have a lot of them. Okay, we're going to let this keep on cooking, let them brown, then we're going to put that wonderful habanero sauce on them. And enjoy.
Good boy. As you can see, this is an easy peasy meal.
Right, when we're out here camped out on the desert, we're looking for easy recipes, but still very, very yummy. And these are very, very yummy. So all we're going to do tonight is, or later on this afternoon, we'll have a nice tossed salad to go with this. Sit out here on the desert. Hopefully the wind goes down. And enjoy a beautiful evening. Okay, as you can see, these have browned very nicely. And I'm going to pour about half of this bottle on these. And then we're going to put the lid on and let them simmer, because our heat's kind of gone down a bit and we're cooking with briquettes today. When you're out here on the desert, sometimes it's hard to find some good firewood. And anyway, we're going to let these cook for about 30 minutes and enjoy. Of course, my sauce is kind of thick here. It doesn't want to come out very well. There we go. We're going to put the lid on these and let them cook and enjoy in about 30 minutes.
While that's cooking there, I wanted to tell you about our website. It's WyomingDutchOvenCooking.com. On that website, I've got a user's guide and a recipe book you can download. And we have lots of our fun spices we like to use and our cookware and stuff. And if you purchase off of our website, it gives us a little kickback from Amazon. It kind of helps defray the cost of doing all this. Hope you enjoy it today. Talk to you later.
Does this look wonderful or what? This is a humdinger of a meal we're going to have. Hey, what are you doing? You know, I have to watch him continually. He's going to try one of these.
Well, of course. Got my trusty Gerber and a fork. What more?
I can't wait to have these. These are really, really good.
I'm not sure there's going to be any left for you.
Oh my goodness, there will be. You know, our motto is great food shared with family and friends. And as you can see, we are definitely going to enjoy this. And we're going to invite our neighbors over that are camped out not too far away from us. They're going to come join this with us today. And there's a pesky fly that's going to join us too. What do you think? Do you think our friends are going to enjoy this?
I'll let you be the judge. But I think so.
Oh my. absolutely excellent. Thank you until we meet again.